it's me, Kibo. Let's make the world glow with kindness today.
Hi friends, it's me, Kibo. Every day we glow with kindness. Come with me on the rainbow path. Let's see who needs a little kindness today. I hear a song. It sounds beautiful. Hello there, birdie. I'm Kibo. You have a beautiful voice. You don't have to sing alone anymore.
I hear you sing. I won't go. You're not alone. Sing. I hear you sing.
You have a beautiful voice. Keep singing. Even when no one appears to be listening, your voice matters.
Great job, friends. We did it. Bye, friends. Keep glowing.